Ikaw ba ay nagmana ng lupa or isang property owner na nais iproseso ang transferred title? Hi everyone! I am Lilian Denise Banson-Herrana, your intern agent of Avenue Realty Solutions. So for today's video, we're talking about something that's essential when it comes on how to securing your land. And that's land titling. Dito sa Avenue Realty Solutions, we understand the importance of land titling. That's why we're here to guide you through every steps of the process, making sure everything's legal, clear, and easy for you. O ba ay nagmana ng lupa o isang property owner na nais iproseso ang transferred title? Dito sa Avenue Realty Solutions, we take care of that for you. We'll make sure your land is registered and your ownership is recognized by the government. Kaya kung gusto mong sigurado at secured ang land title mo, dito na sa Avenue Realty Solutions. Kaya, just call us at 0938-4023-411 or visit our page Prime Realty Hub or our website www.afonor.com. Kaya mag-like, follow, and share for more videos and for more information. Thanks for watching!